What's going on, y'all? Joshua here, and today it's time for a little short blip down Snyder's Knob drop-in into Snyder's Knob. And whoa, you so slip. And from here over to Mineral Way. So good. Sweet. Such a phenomenal loam section, y'all. You know, nobody needs to come around that corner and abruptly get impaled or anything. Okay, into the rocks, here we go. Nice, on the Snyder's Knob now. Whew. Tough little cut there. Feels like an eternity since I've been on the bike. But it does feel nice. Another janky rock section. Hey, I got it. I think I'm starting to get a better line through there. I don't know why I'm not sending that yet. I'm gonna come up here and session that. Oh yeah, man, that is some of the best rock features around. And that is the Snyder's Knob Rocky Goods. With a little spice on top. And this is Chimney, which runs over to Mineral Way and Wavelength. Little pedal section through here, so I'll catch up momentarily. And back at it. So this is actually still Chimney, even though I often refer to it as Mineral Way. But I like to start up there because this little section is really fun. Swaps over to Mineral Way right here. And actually, I'm not going to hit lower wavelength because it did rain late last night into this morning. So all of that's going to be super soggy. I'm just not going to be that guy. Whew. That was a good one. So y'all will actually have an opportunity to see what it looks like to do essentially the whole mineral way. Such a fun section of trail for real. Okay, normally you go left for lower wavelength, but not today. You could go that way, but this stretches it out. Just a wee hair. So bueno. Wish I had time for more today, but I gotta call it because my buddy Austin is coming over to hang out with his pupperdoodle Stetson. So, just a quick brief ride this evening. As always, thanks for tagging along. And I'm out of here. Go love thy neighbors. Bye.